So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created my very own supplement brand called BODii Official, and I'm just going to take you guys through the steps from when I actually had the idea to actually creating the product and launching the brand. So BODii started off with an idea in 2019. I told my friends that I want to create my own weight gain supplement, and that led to me starting off my research for the brand. Upon researching, I found that maca root was actually a natural appetite enhancer, and it works by balancing your hormones. So that is definitely the main ingredient for the BODii maca root product. And following on from that, my main thing was finding the design and a brand name for the product. I initially started with a company called AIRBNB because I also wanted basically a female and a male version, so I wanted her gains and he gains, but that basically led me to having copyright problems, so I had to pivot and find another name, and I came up with BODii. Once I got the name, I then basically sampled the product in June 2020. This was a year now after doing research. I created a fake maca root template and I put it up on my website at the time just to see if people would even order it, and to my surprise, yes, they were ordering the product even though it wasn't even a real product, and I ended up having to refund everyone. Kingston?
No, my brother.
Oh.
Yeah, because that would be a nice sticker, like just coming down, even if it's not like as defined, but just so you still have that, you know, that curve, that woman body.
I just came home to my package. It's actually 2-3 a.m. and I'm just having some mind blast about the branding, and basically at the moment I'm struggling to decide whether I should do an early launch, but it wouldn't be an official launch. It would literally just be to my current customers that I have from AWG Journey. For everyone that has shopped with me before over the past 3 years, they would have a VIP access to this, just as an appreciation from me for you guys' support, and they would be the first one to have access to it for at least 2 months before the official launch date. So the problem with that is that not the problem with that. It's either I do that or I just do what I need to do, like finish everything and then just do everything on the actual launch date, which will probably be in January at this point, because the manufacturers just take so long, and the chemists and stuff, especially with the pandemic now. It's November, so we're currently in lockdown in London, so the manufacturers are asking for an extended time to send through all the products. So I really wanted to get the product out before the end of the year, at least, but I also didn't want to pressure myself, so I've really just been going with the flow. So I really just need to decide between pre-launching it exclusively to my current customers or just wait on the proper launch. And the thing is, I kind of really want to wait on the proper launch, because with the proper launch, in my head, the image that I have in my head, I wouldn't be able to like put it out now if I launch prematurely. But if I wait until the relaunch, the website, the branding, babe, the branding. And I'm really struggling because I don't want to do a pre-launch now and then it kind of ruin the branding, because I'm really going for a premium luxury brand but also at an affordable rate for people. So I don't want to launch it prematurely and not have the full, you know, and not give you guys the full experience that I want to. So that's what I'm currently struggling with creating the brand. I just thought I'd give you guys a little update. Haven't spoken to you guys in a while. Other than that, with BODii, we're fully registered. So far, just to give you guys an update, so we're fully registered. We're fully registered. Our labels for the macaroon is done. The samples are here. The samples are correct. The packaging is fine. Everything has been tested. It's safe. And what else do I need to do now? So what's outstanding for the branding is that I need to also do, well, for the pills, I need to create a website, which I'm hoping to do by the end of November. Oh God. I need to create a new website, or probably I'll do it in December when I'm off work. But I need to create a website, and I also need to I want to create like an information leaflet that basically also has like a little mini, like it can have like healthy foods that you can have that causes the most weight gain. Like it will have like different sections. So obviously I'll have the contact us section where you guys can have all the information. And I also want to have another section where you have like a meal plan almost, but it would be like a mini one, or it would either be like just suggestions of food with high calories, or a workout in the little slot. And also I wanted to have, what else is in it? I have like almost like a little basic workout plan, like a home workout plan, just for COVID reasons, like just everyone can have something to work with. But I'm not sure as yet. I want to talk to some personal trainers to see what they think. So I'm going to try to schedule a few business meetings for next week just to have some professional advice as to how to go about that. Or even better, I'm just thinking long term. Like I really want BODii to be a place where you literally have all of your weight gain and your fitness need. And then I would love to expand the brand and also add other supplements. So like your vitamins, stuff like that, you know, but everything would be my brand, like supplements, but just my brand, but healthy stuff to really just transform your mind and bodies. And but yeah, that's the update with BODii, and I'll give you guys more update as time progresses. Again, it's 3 a.m, so sorry for the dusty look. I'm literally, what am I doing now other than putting this on? Let me show you guys. Look at the detail. Lisani and Jaydah was trying to help me straighten it earlier, and I've been trying to redo it to get it straight, but it's just not working. Yo, I hate the way I look mad right now. I hate the way how I look crazy right now, but yeah, business. So Jaydah and Lisani was trying to help me do it, but this is meant to form the like the illusion of a hourglass figure for a woman. And then here obviously has all the details. I will try to put a proper picture or something on the screen so you guys can see, but I don't like the way I look, so I'm gonna come off camera. But yeah, that's the update for now, and I'll keep you guys posted. Literally just rushed in the lift. I just collected the labels. I'm so happy. I've got a meeting now with one of the graphic designer for the business. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys, but I literally just got them, and I feel like because I've got these now, I may be able to launch really soon, like probably in the next 2-3 weeks, and that's just making me so excited and emotional at the same time. Hey guys, welcome back. Just an update with BODii. So Lisani is gonna be teaching me how to wrap these around. We attempted it, but it did just come lean out, so now we're gonna try a different method of actually cutting the labels and then trying to wrap them, and hopefully it will give us the outline of the female body, of the woman's body, which is what we're going for. So let's see it. Lisani,
How far up you want it? Like about this?
In a middle, yeah. Sexy?
You know what? This wasn't such a good idea. Maybe just forget I thought of it.
You know, I can't go so slow.
It's the best that way.
What did you write?
Yeah, I think it's like an evening now.
You talk about even?
I think it's like an evening because it's inline. What? Why is it so wide?
That me I know. It proper wide. And I saw the last one did stay.
No.
Is it the same measurement name though?
Alright, the customer cut.
No, but the corner have nothing to do with it.
I suppose it's so wide.
Mm-mm.
No man, that proper wide.
I don't know say it did wide the last time, huh?
But how you look? You still get the body? Because me can't see the body.
You
But
can see it, but it not still like the other one we did have done it.
guys, we're having a studio shoot. By the way, Lisanna showed me how to do them, but it's harder than we thought. So for the next batch, I'm gonna pay the company to do it. But we're trying to do a little quick at-home shoot because I feel possessed tonight. For some reason, I just want to shoot them and look at them. So Lissy Boo just helping me. Not the shadow.
Your shadow, you know?
Oh, let me see. It's a bit bright though. Like over bright. You think my name to turn off another light?
Yeah, let's see.
Why it's so bright?
I probably need to adjust this.
I don't want to say it's an iPhone Advance.
iPhone?
This, can I play while you're on you something?
Yeah.
I want to live. So no, how I going here so? Me look at me and say, what is going on, my love?
Alright, camera settings.
No, look how them sexy. Look how them sexy. It's the color transition. Like, that's it for me. The detail in the color transition. You can see the one that start from green. Then the blue come in. Then the blue turn a purple. Then the purple turn a pink. Then she pink. And she like a turn a red. You understand?
Like, it's a white maybe.